Man, this is mental! Oh shit! Hey guys, what's going on? Back here with another video. We're going on an adventure today. So as usual, we got the J boy over here, A and then J, and then we also have the S15. So this is now making moves today. Oh, we got the tow truck driver giving us the thumbs up. So today we're taking this car to its next step of its life, to the wreckers. Just because it's a piece of trash. Nah. Jokes aside, we're taking this.
That would have been a good place to take it.
No, we're taking this down to a shop called Motorlab. Last time when I posted a video about the fastest Subaru I had been in, we were down at Motorlab, and it was tuned by Anton and built by Henry. So today we're going there to drop off Jay's car and hopefully get it built there, and we can check out some cool cars down there. Now, surprisingly, last time we saw the Subaru, it was running only 380 kilowatts at the wheels. But fast forward to today, it now has a whopping 480 kilowatts at the wheels, and I still don't know whatever mods it has. So hopefully that's there as well. Wait, so what do we got here, Jay?
Fuck the whole car.
You're gonna show us this turbo, bro?
Yeah. Well, bring everything in first.
Bring it all in.
Christmas is early.
I know, right? Wait, it's part out. my mind.
Fucking Corolla rods.
Oh, all the good shit.
Take them. Max speeding rod.
Max speeding rods, yeah.
Yo.
Hey, yo. Hey, pick it up, Jay.
It's Jake stats, man. You see Jake's all Jake stuff?
Yeah.
It's heavy ass too, man.
Oi, big boy.
Oh man, boy. Yeah, off your bracelet too, yeah? You mounted your bracelet down.
Wait, let's see.
He mounted his bracelet down.
Fold it up so you can see more.
Yeah.
Damn, check that out. Woo!
Now you need gold plated wheels.
Still, bro.
What do we got over here?
Hypertune, planner.
Hypertune, bro. Wait, what did that cost you?
A bit.
Take it out.
It's a bit dirty
Ooh,
right now, but
fresh. I like that red, black, and silver. That looks so juicy, man. So juicy. And what do we got over here? We got a fuel rail.
No, that's
that a fuel
rail kit for the...
Yeah, that's a fuel rail.
Yeah, twin.
Yeah. We got some random boxes here.
6-boost manifold in here.
Yeah, take it out. Show us, bro.
Ross balances.
Don't be shy.
It's got some internal.
Let's see the 6 boost.
Yeah, nothing crazy, just a normal 6-boost.
Take it out, bro. Pick it up. Sheesh.
Yeah.
That's sick, bro. So guys, this guy went all out. Like he literally just goes 3 grand on a manifold, 3 grand, 4 grand on a turbo, 3 grand or 2 grand on an exhaust manifold. Man, this guy's just dropping cash. God. So guys, I'm not sure if you remember that Subi, but this one over here was running 380 before. It's been retuned to 40 PSI. It is now running 480 kilowatts. So that's like 700 horsepower, kind of 650. That's fucking nuts for a Subaru. Like, what the hell? Oh shit, my ears.
That is not standard.
Ah, bro.
Standard, man. What the fuck did I do to my car?
That's not standard.
Woo. So guys, we're just stopping off to go get some food now. We're taking a Skyline out. It's pretty nice. It's an R33 Skyline. Oh, bro, you crazy? Look at you cheeky smile, motherfucker.
He's awake now, he's awake now. He can go another round. This is how we come back to, you know. He's come back. I'm back, he's alive, man. Again. I'm back on Earth.
Oh, shit.
Not bad. What? AJ.
What's up, bro?
Long time no see, bro.
Hey, what's good? How are you?
I'm good, man. Celebrity, man.
Yeah. You're in that case, bro.
And this is only what, 280?
Oh shit! Oh! I thought you were gonna trip that for a second. I was like, oh my god. Whoa! Whoa! So guys, we just finished our food from St. Berg's. Man, I love St. Berg's. Every time I go there, they give me the best burgers. Now we're back at Henry's shop and we got us another crazy car here. I swear, like, there are so many crazy cars here. So over here we have an RB25 all-wheel drive Nissan Silvia S13. Like, what the fuck? That is crazy, bro. Crazy, crazy. Says RB26, but it's just the rocker covers. But man, that's all-wheel drive. So apparently the guy has got everything from a GTR and a Stagia, and he's cut and welded everything and slapped it together, and now it is an all-wheel drive S13. Whew. Sheesh. Everything looks bougie as we got some Raceworks, Garrett Turbo, and some gritty forward-facing plenum. My goodness. My goodness. Hey, so now we're making a video of this. You have to take me for a spin.
I'll take you around the block, bro. I'm fucking hold on.
You swear, yeah?
He's a Kiwi.
Yeah, not bad, huh?
All Kiwis are crazy. I'll probably fucking go around the block.
Let's go, let's go. Woo! We get to go in some crazy cars. I love this. This is the best.
Wait, yeah, big test.
It's all drive. All-wheel drive, no worries. R.I.P. to me. Wait, famous last words, yeah? Famous last words.
Bless this card.
Will do, bro. Alright, Logan, I'm keen to see what it's got. Wow, that's a nice dash over there. Oofed. Oofed, oofed, oofed. Robs, am I scared of this shit? Absolutely. Woo. Whoa! Oh! Whoa!
That was gentle, though.
That was gentle, bro! Holy shit! Yeah! Man, this is mental! Oh shit! Bro, my face is like, holy shit! Oh my god, this is nuts, bro. Thanks, bro. my Super Under, I'm running 500.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Not bad, eh?
Yeah, right. This hits so hard. Oh my goodness, guys.
Give
Oh.
them a pull past the shop.
Huh?
Give them a
Give it a pull past the shop. That was crazy. Bruh, I need to pull out some life insurance. That was fuck. That was, oh my god. Oh my god. Bro, and I was like, my eyes were watering as he hit. And I'm like, oh.
Holy shit.
You gonna laugh, Logan?
Bro, this shop's filled with fucking crazy.
Holy shit.
What tires can hold this down, man?
These tires are apparently doing alright.
Man.
235 Chinese.
What? 235 Chinese and you're going that hard? Oh my god. Hey guys, this brings a close to the video. Man, that was a real neck snapper. Oh my god, I'm just lost for words. You know, just that was too crazy, like too crazy. How was your day, Jay? Did you enjoy your day?
Yeah, man. It's not too bad. It's a bit chilled.
It's good taking your car to Henry shop.
Yeah, that's it. You know, and so we can finally start the build again after like sitting for like what, a whole year.
Big things gonna happen.
Definitely. 100%.
So I hope you guys liked today's video, and I'll catch you guys next time.